Hello everyone, this is Stock Market Daily. Thank you for joining me today. It is March 25th, 2023, but we're going to be talking about March 24th, a Friday trading day. So please don't copy any of my trading strategies. You will lose money. This is only for educational purposes. So you could see on Friday today, like I said, today, Saturday, yesterday, the S&P started selling off and eventually found its footing and started going up from there. Now, the chart's pretty self-explanatory. I don't have much to add. It was kind of a slow melt up, not really any squeeze mode going on here. You could see it was very slow and deliberate, so that's good. It was productive. What I want to show you guys is one thing that made me kind of assume that we're going to keep going up during the day. That, I'm looking at an indicator, I'm seeing where the market is right now and where the market I am thinking is going to end up. So on my flex grid, I have all the big companies here, which are in the SPY holdings, the SPY, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, and Google. And on this one right here, I have my advanced decline line. So that's money sign or dollar sign ADD. So as the market was kind of trying to figure out what we're going to be doing here in the morning, I'm looking at the overall advanced decline line. And you could see that we have this peak right here and this peak right here. This one's a little lower, but they're almost the same height. And if you just put the crosshairs on, you could see that we hit this peak, which this was Friday. I should explain that this is Friday and this is Thursday. So we had a high and the high, which are almost the same height. And we have the same exact high here on the Friday session, so yesterday. It's about 10:30. Let's go over to the SPX line. So here's that high from Thursday. Here's the other high. You can see it's not very significant. Why it was a little low, higher, but it's just two candles, right? So we have these two highs. And where is the SPX at 10:30? Right here. So what does that tell me? So that tells me that the stocks, majority of stocks, are at the same level as they were the day before. So they were right here and they're right here and they are here today. However, something is holding down the SPX. Something is holding us down big time, because technically it should, right where that pencil is, I'm thinking that it should be right around here. But we were right here. We were much lower, right? We're at 39.40, but we should be at 39.59. So almost 20 points lower than the rest of, the market's performance. It seems like, right? So this particular indicator that I use, now this is not always going to be accurate. This is not going to be like, kind of a solution that you could be looking at and saying, okay, now this is where it was today. Now this has to catch up, or SPX has to catch up to this, or this is going to catch up to SPX. This is all dynamic. This is not something that we're going to be like putting all our eggs in one basket on. But it's a little clue, right? So you use these clues as a trader, and it's a little clue. And it told me basically that there might be a very good chance that we're going to keep going higher, because the majority of the stocks were in the same level as from yesterday, but the SPX is not there yet. It's lagging behind, and we ended up kind of closing that gap a little bit between the advanced decline as we're moving up here, and we also ended up obviously closing higher or going up higher as the advanced decline also continued to go up higher. So this is the metric that I used, and I went a little bit more aggressive on the day because of that on the put side. So the trades are all kind of missing from here, but we'll go over here and you could see them here. So I did 38.80 on the put side, 39.90 on the call side, 38.90 again on the put side, 386 on the XSP. That was a mistake. I was actually going to be I traded that in a different account, and this was a mistake, but you know, $50 to this account, I'll take it. We had 38.60 on the put side and 39.80 and 39.85 on the call sides. And this one I got into later in the day because I figured, you know, we are going up, but there's only so much more that we can do here. And it's a slow melt up. But you know, what happened here was that even though I entered these positions, we were getting very close to the area, and the first sign of a sell-off here towards the end of the market, I took the opportunity to buy back those options. The reason is because, again, one of the clues that we look for as traders is what happens, kind of, you know, what's been happening past couple of days. And as you can see, past couple of days, we've had pretty strong run-ups towards market close at about, especially at right 10 minutes before. Look at that candle, big green candle. And with a slow melt up like this throughout the day, I figured, hey, this might actually continue. It might actually go up higher. We ended up selling off a little bit, and I took the opportunity. I could have waited, but you know, I saw that I had an opportunity to buy it back, and I did. And lo and behold, we did get that candle. That it did come back. Big strong green candles here at the end of the day. However, not like the day before or the prior day before that. So just some things to look at and kind of pay attention. So you will see here Shopify, I had to get out of the position. I bought it back and I sold it. It's a cover call, so that added for the day's total. So if we add up all the credits and remove the debits, these guys right here, the green ones, total for the day was $3,017. So very good day, a little bit above average. Happy to end the week with so many issues going on with the banking and everything, with nice profit, and no options are trapped. That's important. Not holding anything over the weekend, not holding anything into Monday or Tuesday. Everything is closed. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. If you do, give this video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.